Hello everyone. Today I am going to start the series of numericals related to the some basic concepts of chemistry. I have already discussed about the terms concentration means molarity, normality, molality, mole fraction, formality. These are the concentration terms whose numericals are very important to understand because these numerical based on whole chemistry. Now the first numerical is, look at the board, the density of 3m. 3m molarity is represented by capital M. 3m solution of sodium chloride is 1.25 gram per ml. Calculate its molality. We have to calculate the molality of solution. First of all, we have to write the given data. Here the molarity of the solution is given. Listen, molarity of the solution is given. Molarity is 3, clear, and density 1.25 gram per ml. Got it? Apply the formula of molarity. First of all, what is molarity? Molarity is defined as the number of moles present in 1 liter solution. Now the molarity is weight upon molar mass into volume, and volume expressed in liter while weight in terms of gram. Clear? Here the weight of solute is required. Clear? Molarity is given, that is 3. Weight we have to calculate it in gram. Molar mass, sodium, atomic mass of sodium is 23 and chlorine 35.5. Then the molar mass of sodium chloride is 58.5 and volume is 1 liter. Clear? Now the weight of sodium chloride NaCl is 3 multiplied by 58.5 into 1, that is approximate 175.5 gram per liter. Clear? This amount is a amount of solute, means mass of solute. Sodium chloride is solute. Clear? And in order to find the molality of solution, molality is represented by small m, and it is represented by weight in gram upon molar mass into weight of solvent in kg. Means as I have already find weight of solute, but weight of solvent we have to find out. No, listen, then the mass of 1 liter solution. Clear? Mass of 1 liter solution, that means density and mass. Listen, mass of 1, density into volume. Density is given 1.25 gram and volume is 1000 ml. Clear? Now the density is 1250. Listen, this is the mass of solute and this is the mass of solution, and solution is composed from solute plus solvent. Clear? Now the mass of solvent is mass of solution minus mass of solute, means 1250 minus 175.5. Clear? That means 1240 minus 175.5 means 1074.5 gram. Clear? Listen, this is the mass of solvent we have to require, but the mass of solvent expressed in kilogram. Clear? Now the molality is, weight of solute is 175 gram, molar mass sodium chloride 58. Clear? And the mass of solvent in kg. Here the mass of solvent is in gram. Now 1074.5, but this mass we have to turn into kilogram, which is divided by 1000, that means multiplied by 1000 in upper side in numerator. Then The molality is approximate 2.79 small. Clear? Listen, this is the molality. Molality of the solution is defined as the number of moles present in 1 kg of solvent. Got it? Molality is represented by small m, while the molarity is represented by capital M. Now, the next question. 6.9 m KOH solution contains 30% KOH by mass. Calculate its density. Means, according to the question, the given data is molarity 6.9 and mass percent. Mass percent, I have already discussed about the mass percent. Mass percent is the ratio of mass of solute and the mass of solvent, mass of solution. Listen here, small w and capital W. It is represented by small w upon capital W percent. Small w stands for mass of solute, while capital W stands for mass of solution. Clear? The mass percent is given 30%. Clear? As I have already discussed the relationship between the molarity and mass percent. Suppose that mass percent is given and the density, and we have to require the density of the solution. Clear? Then the molarity is equals to mass percent into density into 10 upon molar mass. Molarity is 6.9, mass percent 30%, density which is required 10, and molar mass of KOH. KOH, potassium, that is 39, oxygen 16, hydrogen 1, means 39 plus 140, 60, means 56. Got it? Now 56. Now the density is equals to 6.9 into 56 upon 30 into 10, which is equals to 1.288 gram per ml. Clear? This relationship is very important. Molarity is equals to mass percent into density into 10 upon molar mass. Now the next numerical is a sample of sulfuric acid contains 13% by mass and its density is 1.02 gram per ml. Calculate the molality and normality of the solution. Listen, when we talk about the molality is weight of solute in gram upon molar mass into weight of solvent in kilogram. Clear? And here it is given 13% by mass, means H2SO4 behaves like a solute. Then the mass of H2SO4 is 13 gram. Clear? And the mass of solution is 100 gram. That means mass of solution is 100 gram. So the mass of solvent is, that is 100 gram minus 13 gram, which is 87 gram. But here in molality, the mass of solvent which is expressed in kilogram, so it is divided by 1000. Listen, molality small m, weight of solute is 13 gram. H2SO4, molar mass of H2SO4, hydrogen, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, sulfur 32 and oxygen 16. So the molar mass of H2SO4 is 98 and 87 and divided by 1000. Clear? That means 1000. Why? Because in molality the amount of solvent which is expressed in kilogram. Clear? Now the molality is approximate 1.52 mole per kg. Clear? This is the molality of solution. Clear? But when we talk about the molarity, as I have already discussed the relationship between the mass percent and molarity with density. The molarity is equals to mass percent into density into 10 upon molar mass. Clear? The molarity we have to require that. Clear? Mass percent is a 13%. Density it is given 1.02 gram per ml into 10 upon molar mass 98. Clear? Thus as the molarity is equals to approximately 1.35 mole per liter. Clear? As we have to find out the normality, we know that the relationship between the molarity and normality. Clear? The normality is equals to molarity into X, where X is conversion factor. Clear? Molarity as 1.35 and conversion factor. In case of acids, the conversion factor is defined as the number of replaced hydrogen, and H2SO4, the number of replaced hydrogen is 2. Clear? That means 1.35 into 2. Clear? That means 2.7 capital N. Clear? Means here the relationship between the molarity, mass percent into density to 10, in order to we already find the molarity and normality by this relationship. N is equals to M into X. But in case of this formula, we can already apply this formula, mass percent into density into 10 upon equivalent mass, and equivalent mass is equals to molar mass upon valency. Valency means in case of acids, number of replaced hydrogen, that is 2. Means molar mass of H2SO4 is 98 upon 2 means 49. We can use this formula as well for solving numerical in order to find the normality. So the next numerical is a sugar syrup weight 214.2 gram contains 34.2 gram sugar. Calculate the mole fraction of sugar in syrup. Mole fraction is calculated out of 1. Listen. Clear? Means sugar syrup weight, the weight of sugar syrup 214.2 gram. Clear? Here 34.2 gram sugar means weight of sugar is 34.2 gram. Clear? Sugar syrup contains sugar and water. So the weight of water is 214.2 minus 34.2 means 180 gram. Clear? Here the mass of water is 180 gram. Now we have to find the number of moles of sugar. Sugar means C12H22O11. The atomic mass of carbon is 12, hydrogen 1 and oxygen 16. Now the molar mass of means number of moles means mass, given mass is 4.2 upon 342, that is 0.1. 0.1 is the number of moles of sugar. Clear? And number of moles of water means 180 gram upon 18, that is 10. Clear? 10 mole of water. Now we have to find out the mole fraction of sugar. Mole fraction of sugar is number of moles of sugars means 0.1 and the total number of moles of solution. Total number of moles of solutions means moles of water and moles of sugar. Means moles of water is 10 plus moles of water is 0.1. That means 0.1 upon 10.1 means 0.0099. This is the mole fraction of sugar. If you want to calculate the mole fraction of water, clear? Suppose that it is calculate the mole fraction of water. So the mole fraction of water is 1 minus 0.0099, because the mole fraction of solute and the plus mole fraction of solvent is equals to 1.